Hello guys, this video is going to be a review of what we have learned about Pythagorean theorem. Okay, the Pythagorean theorem is used to find a missing side of a right triangle. So remember, all triangles have three sides. We know that, right? But if we're missing one of them on a right triangle, then we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. So we know a right triangle has a right angle. The longest side of the right triangle is opposite of the right angle. This is the longest side right here. This is the longest side, and we know that because it is the opposite of the right angle. And this side, it is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. We use the variable c to label this side. We actually can use any variable, but commonly you will see A, B, C for Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so the two sides touching the right angle, that means this side right here and this side, the two sides touching the right angle are called legs. Okay, as you can see, they form an L. That might help you remember. This is one leg and this is another leg. And we use the variables A and B for these two sides. Okay, so A and B for the legs, C for the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. All right, so the Pythagorean theorem formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, there's also something I want you to remember. As we know, this is the longest side, right? But also I need you to understand that when you put these two legs together, okay, when you sum these two, when you add them up together, they're going to be longer than the hypotenuse itself, both of them together. Okay, so the sum of the two legs is always greater than the hypotenuse by itself. Remember that. Okay, so let's say if you're working on a problem and you know that this side, the longest side, let's say is 14, and this is 10, this side cannot be 4. Because these two together should be longer than 14. So my number here cannot be 4, it has to be more than 4. Okay, so the two legs, these two right here, together have to be greater than this side.